to go now.
I do, but I'm being patient. I'm doing a podcast.
So before Thursday, he has to bring you.
Yes, I do.
Yes. Is there the white one or the red?
I don't care.
You call it? My father used to give me.
10 euro che mio padre fa mezz'ora e aspetta mia mamma sulla sotto. Mio padre fa una fila, poi prende part of a Gaeta, it's called Monte Secco. It's an isthmus, a piece of land that divides the two, the Gulf of Gaeta, the Gulf and the sea from there. It's in the middle. So Gaeta is a peninsula. Here is the whole Gaeta district. If you walk over there in the narrow streets that's called Indipendenza, you are in the district that's called Porto Salvo. So Gaeta is divided like in 3 districts. Old Gaeta, or Sant'Erasmo, Porto Salvo, or Il Borgo, and after we have a Serapol district over there with the beach, the main beach, Serapol, okay? So now we walk this way, we're gonna go on the Old Gaeta in a district. Question? Question? Okay, good.
Repeat back what he said.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Andiamo.
You don't have to memorize everything.
This is the post office.
They'll just be a
in
little
case you
quiz
want to
later.
send postcard, you want to buy stamps, this is the post office, okay? The
But
main
it takes
post
5 hours, so don't bother to get in there.
office. Tobacco shop. In Old Gaeta, this was the first gate. It's the gate called Carlo Terzo, okay? So Gaeta was a fortress. So to enter into the city, you had to pass 2 gates. This was the first one. It was gate Carlo Terzo. The other one, after like 200 meters on the left, we're gonna walk through. It's the gate Carlo 5 or La Città, della, okay? So that is the gate you see there. That's the original gate, very old. You can see it. Let's go. Vai, tutto originale. This is very old. 600 years at least. Yeah. There was the city wall, and it was like a fort. See the door is in a good condition, but not my favorite. But okay, let's go see inside over there. Up inside. If we can visit inside. Let's go. Look the door.
Yeah, I'm not.
It's very old. But, so what do you think? Are you impressed? Not yet? Bella. But it's not in good condition. Over there, we're going to walk through and we're going to have you will see on the left, it's American ship. Navy. Commander 6th Fleet.
Yes.
Mount Whitney. We are very important. We control all the Mediterranean, the 6th Fleet.
Questo è il nome dell'armata navale.
Adesso si chiama Mount Whitney in California, fa lontano Mount Whitney in California. about 60 years that the Navy were here in Gaeta. It's still here. So we love America. Ok, andiamo? Andiamo Arsenal? Andiamo. Andiamo, dai. He was military. He was from Naples, and he tried to save two girls. They were swimming at the sea in Serapo, but they passed away. He passed away, but he saved the girl. So they named this square to remember him. So Vincenzo.
Also, we're on TV.
Yeah, I was talking.
Golden Chapel, Cappella d'Oro. As you can see, all the ceiling is with gold. And there's a painting of the Mary Immaculata over there that was made from Pulzone. There's different saints. For saint, two on the right, two on the left, and after is all about the life of Jesus from Quiscuolo. So this is in 86-1, the Pope Pio IX, he came here and they had the dogma of the Immaculata, he came here to pray. This is the original where you used to bend his knees and pray. So this is very original, you can see. What do you think? You like?
Yes.
It's not all open. You know, the door is over there. It's not all open. They open it maybe one time a month. So we are very lucky to be here. And sometimes they celebrate some wedding, some ceremony, because people really like to have a wedding ceremony in this little chapel. So, question? Quelli segni che stanno là, forse si sono staccato qualcosa, cioè qui abbiamo avuto il terremoto, cioè, però non so se dipende da questa cosa qua.
No, forse di qua è dritto e dopo di là, quindi forse...
Sì.
Nicola, how old?
This is like in the 12th century. Very cool. This is it's a part of the church. I don't know if we'll be able to walk in the church, the big church Annunziata. It's very nice to see inside. Maybe we're allowed to go inside. You will see it's very beautiful inside. Pensi che possiamo entrare anche dentro la chiesa Annunziata? Ok. Church. This was like for many years it was the main church of Gaeta because the Duomo that's in Gaeta was closed for restoration, so all the main celebrations were in this church. And as you can see, it's only one aisle, and it's divided in they call campate, 4 or 5 campate, and that's the organ where they play, and the choir was sitting. You see the wood over there behind the altar was sitting around there. The marble is made from Dioniso Lazzari, that he was from the Medici family in Florence. If you can see, the marble has the G of the flowers, like the arm of the city of Florence. Do you like? What do you think? Do you have something like this in Sommerville, Boston? No? Che ne pensi? Ti piace? Non l'avevo visto. È sempre aperto, di solito questo è sempre aperto, it's all open this church. So, and the sign, see there's the sign Portadoro, what over there, can you see mano?
Sì, penso che avevo fatto una piccola
Gio.
Gio.
in English. It's the flowers. The name of the
Non è daffodil. Oh, daffodil.
So this is the marmot is from the Medici. He was working for the Medici family. That's from Florence. These, the same you see here, this marble, you see here, I don't know if the Duomo it's open, you will see the same from Lazzari in the Duomo, the Cattedrale. I hope it's open so we can go see over there.
Ma la cattedrale quella giù o quella sua San Francesco?
No, la cattedrale è quella che sta a Gaeta Vecchia.
Col campanile.
San Francesco è quella che sta sopra.
Come si chiama quella col campanile?
You have to ask us grandma.
Angelica, vedi? Così.
Ah,
Rosa, giallo.
ok, adesso ho capito che...
Ok, 1 minuto. 1 secondo. You see that boat? That is called La Signora del Vento, the Lady of the Wind. That boat belongs to the school that is next in front of the liceo. That's called Nautico. That's boat for the trained students. So it's we are here in the whole Gaeta part, and can you see that other church there?
Oh wow.
That's the San Francesco church.
Oh, si è tolta questa.
I'm not sure that's this open that church, but we can walk on
L'avrà
that
tolta quando
church.
c'è stato, si è allagato tutto. Si sarà tolta da solo.
And that is the castle.
Sì che ne fanno due.
That's the castello aragonese, Angiolino, aragonese, the upper part and the lower part. The upper part aragonese, you see the rectangular shape.
But we have to
The bottom is a regular shape. That was the jail, the prison. Nazis, the cobbler, rider, they were in the cell over there. They were accused to kill like 1,100 Italian. Now the part it's a military barrack, caserma Mazzini, and the bottom is a part of the University of Cassino. That's a city near Gaeta. Vogliamo camminare?
Can you just smile?
Andiamo?
For my mother.
Okay. No, those are not.
Wow, sei fortunato allora. Sì.
Questa terrazza è veramente bellissima. Di chi è questo?
Ci abita da qualche forestiero sicuramente l'ha comprata.
No, non è tipo un albergo per fare l'aperitivo.
No, yes.
Lei viene stasera, ma lei mancava al secondo volo, quindi lei ha rifatto la... E dopo noi abbiamo fatto il scalo
Se ne vedi gli uffici da fare veramente mi va così pensando di ripetere latino perché la padella gli ha detto che martedì lo deve interrogare. Ci pensi più che non più che non
Se la padella tenta di dire questa cosa, la faccio mandare sul culo.
Sì, esatto.
sì, ma no, ma cosa è?
Cazzo sei un po'
Colon. All the rest are ruins rooms over the look over there.
But this must have been built
This
around
is
the column.
this is Salita Colonna. That's a arch. And this colonna was ruined. All the building they were destroyed over there during the war.
Another one of these.
You like? This is the medieval area.
I like this one.
Look at the building, how they create the building over there. Colonna everywhere.
Perché solo da qui c'era vicino.
Hey, so what do you think? You like? Number one, eh?
Che saltava dalla.
We don't play here, eh? È come un labirinto qui, it's like a maze. Ali everywhere. See, via Ladislao. She was a king.
Martino! Martino!
Eccomi!
Che sta fumando? Che sembra una puzza.
La padella dice un sacco di strumenti.
Ehi, chi? This is the oldest church. This is the oldest church. Santa Lucia, 8th century. This is church, Santa Lucia. 8th century. It's the oldest, but you know it's not open. But this is the medieval area. So we are ready. Okay, almost done. Let's go.
Vabbè, tu spieghi a me, va bene.
Quindi buonasera, noi siamo qui da Sommerville, io sono il docente che porta gli studenti che fanno il riscambio culturale con gli studenti di Gaeta. Questa è la prima volta per me che io sono qui, per gli studenti 2 sono già venuti, ma per noi il primo giorno è stato fantastico. Adesso che abbiamo finito questa bellissima tour guidata da Gaeta, è in verità incredibile, anche col porto, col mare. È qualcosa che non avevo immaginato così. Pure la storia con le porte, con Gaeta Vecchia, tutto medievale, è un posto davvero unico e quindi grazie al comune, al sindaco che ha fatto tutto questo possibile da Sommerville. Noi non vedremo l'ora di tornare, forse quest'estate pure. Grazie.